Struggling to make the most of your small space? Get ready to transform your home with smart furniture and clever storage ideas that maximize every inch without sacrificing style. From hidden compartments to multi-purpose designs, these solutions make tiny apartments feel surprisingly spacious and organized. All products are linked in the description below. Your beauty routine just got a hidden upgrade. This sleek vanity table keeps everything tucked away until you flip the top and reveal a built-in mirror. You get smart storage for all your makeup, so nothing feels cluttered or hard to find. The cushioned stool slides neatly underneath, saving space when you're done. Simple, stylish, and ready to use right out of the box. No linen closet? No problem. This wall-mounted towel rack turns empty wall space into smart storage for your bathroom. You can neatly roll and stack multiple towels while keeping everyday essentials on the top shelf. It keeps everything within reach without crowding your space. Clean, modern, and perfect for keeping your bathroom looking organized every day. A table that adapts to your day instead of the other way around. This minimalist folding desk transforms from a compact unit into a full dining or work surface in seconds. You can roll it anywhere with smooth wheels, then lock it in place for stability. The extendable design gives you extra space when you need it and tucks away neatly when you don't. Perfect for small spaces that need to do more. That awkward gap behind your couch just became your favorite spot. This ultra-slim console table slides perfectly into tight spaces, turning wasted room into something useful. You get built-in outlets and USB ports, so charging your phone or powering a lamp is always within reach. There's just enough surface space for drinks, remotes, or decor without cluttering your room. Simple, sturdy, and surprisingly practical for everyday living. Dinner plans just got a smart upgrade. This extendable dining table expands when you need more room and keeps things compact when you don't. The sintered stone top resists heat, scratches, and stains, so you don't have to worry about everyday mess. Built-in sockets let you plug in devices right at the table, perfect for work or gatherings. Stylish, durable, and made to keep up with your lifestyle. Tea time just got a serious upgrade. This mobile tea table moves with you and adapts to any space in your home. The rotating top spins smoothly, so everything you need is always within easy reach. You can store your tea sets neatly with adjustable shelves and a removable tray for quick cleanup. With built-in charging and lockable wheels, it's as smart as it is relaxing to use. Your kitchen just found its new command center. This rolling island cart gives you extra prep space right where you need it. The solid wood top handles daily cooking mess while staying easy to clean. You get drawers, cabinets, and side racks to keep everything organized and within reach. Smooth wheels let you move it around, then lock it in place when it's time to cook. Your entryway just got a serious upgrade. This tall shoe cabinet combines a coat rack and hidden storage into one smart design. Flip drawers keep your shoes out of sight, but easy to grab when you're heading out. You also get hooks for jackets, bags, and scarves, plus extra drawers for small essentials. Slim, organized, and perfect for keeping clutter under control. Your living room just got a double upgrade. This L-shaped sofa effortlessly transforms into a cozy bed whenever you need it, perfect for guests or movie nights. The reversible chaise lets you switch sides to fit your space perfectly. Underneath, hidden storage keeps blankets, pillows, and essentials out of sight but within reach. Plush cushions and soft linen fabric make it comfy for lounging or sleeping. Stylish, practical and ready for everyday life. This round storage ottoman does more than just sit there. Flip the lid, and it becomes a small coffee table. Lift it up, and you've got hidden storage for blankets, magazines, or remotes. Soft, breathable fabric makes it comfy as a footrest or extra seat. Stylish, sturdy, and perfect for keeping your living room organized without taking up extra space. Tired of tripping over shoes and clutter at the door? This storage bench turns chaos into calm. Lift the soft, cushioned top to reveal hidden drawers for keys, socks, or small items. The 3-door cabinet and side shelves hold shoes, clothes, or umbrellas, keeping everything neat and accessible. Strong, sturdy, and stylish. It's perfect for your entryway, bedroom, or living room. Need a boost or a seat? This solid wood ladder chair does both, and more. Switch it between a step stool, chair, or display shelf in seconds. Strong enough to hold 265 pounds. It keeps you safe with secure locking hinges. Fold it up for easy storage, then pull it out whenever you need it. Perfect for kitchens, libraries, or anywhere you want style and function. Want a guest bed that disappears when not in use? This Murphy bed folds neatly into a stylish cabinet, turning your room from bedroom to living space instantly. The built-in charging station keeps your devices powered, while drawers and shelves store pillows, blankets, or decor. Smooth rails and anti-tipping wheels make opening and closing effortless and safe. With a sturdy farmhouse design, it's both practical and charming for any room. Need extra seating without taking up space? This nesting ottoman gives you 5 stools in one compact design. Pull them apart for dining chairs, vanity seats, or side tables, whatever you need. Each stool is strong enough to hold up to 500 pounds, and smooth caster wheels make moving them effortless. Covered in easy, clean faux leather, it looks sleek while staying practical for any room. Need a table that adapts to every moment? This foldable dining table stretches out for meals, folds down for work, or tucks neatly as a console. 2 drawers and a lower shelf keep snacks, books, or kitchenware close at hand. Strong plywood construction and lockable wheels make it sturdy yet easy to move. Sleek, space-saving, and versatile, it fits perfectly in any kitchen or living room. Tired of digging through tangled necklaces and missing earrings? This wall-mounted jewelry cabinet hides all your pieces behind a sleek mirror. Open it to find LEDs that light your face naturally, perfect for checking your look or applying makeup. Hooks, slots, and compartments keep necklaces, rings, and bracelets neatly organized. Stylish, space-saving, and practical. It's a little luxury for any bedroom or dressing area. Struggling to reach items at the back of your pantry? This pullout lets you glide shelves straight out, keeping everything visible and accessible. Reversible bottoms in 2 colors let you match any cabinet style, while soft close hinges make opening smooth and quiet. Adjustable frame heights give you flexibility, and the sturdy design holds up to 60 kilograms. Perfect for organizing cans, spices, and kitchen essentials without bending or stretching. Need a comfy bed that's ready in minutes? This air mattress inflates itself with a built-in pump and auto-deploying frame. No heavy lifting or weighting. Comfort coil technology keeps your weight evenly supported all night, preventing sagging. Made from durable, waterproof PVC with a soft top, it's perfect for home or travel. Fold it into the wheeled case for easy storage or take it camping. It's ready wherever you need sleep. Looking to display your books and decor in style? This 5-tier ladder shelf mounts to the wall, saving floor space while giving you 5 levels to organize. Built-in LED lights let you adjust color and brightness for reading, working, or relaxing. Sturdy metal frames and durable boards hold up to 35 pounds per shelf. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. It's storage and style all in one. Imagine opening up a whole room with just a touch. Meet the pocket door system that makes any space instantly versatile. Whether it's a home office, a chic coffee corner, or hidden hallway storage, everything disappears behind sleek, full overlay doors when you don't need it. Quick to open, effortless to close, and endlessly adaptable, it turns your living areas into multifunctional masterpieces. Perfect for small spaces or modern open layouts. Meet the Transformer Table, where smart design meets timeless style. Start with a cozy round table for everyday meals, then effortlessly expand it into a spacious oval to host friends, family, or weekend gatherings. Crafted from solid wood with precision panels, it blends durability with elegance. Perfect for small kitchens or large dining rooms, this table adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle while keeping your space organized and functional. Transform your living space with this versatile daybed, designed to double as a guest room whenever you need it. The height-adjustable frame with pop-up trundle turns into 2 beds, while built-in USB and Type-C ports keep your devices powered. Set the mood with LED lights offering multiple colors and modes, and relax safely on a sturdy metal frame with comfortable curved armrests. Perfect for small apartments or cozy bedrooms. Need a bed that does more than just sleep? This loft bed combines a comfy, full-size mattress space with a built-in desk, wardrobe, and shelves underneath. The desk has USB and Type-C ports, so you can charge devices while you work or study. Sturdy guardrails and solid slats keep it safe and durable. Even the staircase doubles as storage, making it perfect for bedrooms with limited space. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.